What I wish I knew about survival kits before my first camping trip: it's easier and cheaper than you think. Don't wait for an emergency to get started. Okay, first things first, grab a sturdy backpack or pouch. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something comfortable to carry. Next up, water is non-negotiable. Pack a reusable water bottle, and even better, a small water filter or purification tablets. Staying hydrated is your #1 priority. Now, let's talk about food. Toss in a few high-energy snacks like granola bars or trail mix. Lightweight and long-lasting is the name of the game. For shelter, a simple emergency blanket or a compact poncho can save you from the elements. They're cheap, tiny, and super effective. You'll need light, so add a small flashlight or a headlamp, plus extra batteries. Don't just rely on your phone. Cutting tools are next. A basic pocket knife or multi-tool covers a ton of ground, from opening cans to fixing gear. Remember, handle with care. First aid is a must. Grab a pre-made mini first aid kit or just toss in some bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Don't forget fire. Waterproof matches or a lighter can be lifesavers. And a whistle for signaling? Total game changer. Last but not least, add a notepad and a pencil to jot down notes or leave messages. That's it. Simple, budget-friendly, and beginner-proof. Start with these basics and you'll be ready for anything life or the wild throws at you. Stay safe out there.